Marhaba. My name is Samah Sultan. I'm an artist from Aqaba. In these difficult times we're living, it is most important to find a way to help ourselves heal and to be strong enough to carry on in our everyday life.
عبعضه بذات اللون وتبدل نظام الأرض وتغير مجرى الهواء.
And because art is my way to express and process my feelings, I will be looking forward to seeing you in our beloved and serene city of Aqaba in the upcoming Invest in Your Mind, Body and Soul event between the 7th and the 10th of December, to experience the power of colors in transitioning us into a better and a happier self.